Hey, this is Eric with TechnoRV, and today I want to tell you what all is included in the TechnoRV Desktop Booster Kit. So the first thing you're going to get is the Desktop Booster. The Desktop Booster has a 2-watt transmitter. That's actually what sends your signal out to the local access point. And then it includes this 5 dB gain antenna. It's about a 6-inch antenna. It's 5 dB gain. The antenna is what hears the signal come back from the access point. So Wi-Fi is a two-way communication, and the Desktop Booster handles both of those points of communication, the sending of the signal and the hearing the signal come back. That comes with the kit. You also get the Desktop Booster window suction cup mount. So the reason that this is nice is because you really want your Desktop Booster to be somewhere in your RV, maybe close to a window in the same direction as where the access point is that you're trying to connect to. So you could use this suction cup mount. You just pop this into the cradle. You can put the antenna straight up, and then you can just pop that onto a window that is facing the direction of that access point. So that is a nice little mount there that you can use if you like. This kit also includes a 5-foot USB cable. Now this USB cable is going to connect the Desktop Booster to the R36A repeater that comes in this kit. So the booster brings in the signal, and then the R36A creates a hotspot within your RV, and all of your devices can wirelessly connect to this device. And by wirelessly connecting to this device, they're getting the boosted signal from the Desktop Booster. This R36A is powered by an AC power supply that comes with the kit, so just a regular wall outlet. And it also comes with a short Ethernet cable that you can use during the setup process, or you don't have to use it during the setup process because you can complete the entire setup with this wirelessly. So you're going to get the TechnoRV Learning Series with this kit, and this is just going to be a document that we send you that is step-by-step guide to make sure that you're successful with this unit, complete with pictures. Everything you need to know to be successful with it, you're going to get in that document. Any device can complete the setup process. Any device that has a built-in Wi-Fi adapter. So your tablets, your smartphones, computers, Macs, doesn't matter, they'll all work with this. And then once this system is set up and connected to a local access point, then any device then can gain access to that boosted signal by just wirelessly connecting to the R36A repeater. And so that is the complete kit. It's the TechnoRV Desktop Booster Kit, and you can get it at technorv.com.